I made $743 on Monday day trading futures, and today I will show you the exact method and indicators that I am used. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. For those who don't know the futures, it's a highly leveraged product. It can give you high risk and high reward. So I am using apextraderfunding.com, which allows me to not risk my own savings, which is great, right? So if you like that, I will link below 50% off coupon for your lifetime purchasing in apextraderfunding.com. So let's start with my own strategy, what I am using, what's my indicators, how I trade, which time frame. Let's dive in. When I start my day, I set my time frame to 1 day to see where price can go from that point. So if there any gap, if there is any opening gap or whatever. So after that, I set my time frame to 15 minutes, like you see it on my screen now, and I set it up all my indicators, and this is how I made $743 on Monday. And in an average day with the 3 contracts, I made like $500 to $2,000 a day. So let me show you what indicators that I am using, on which time frame, which strategy I follow. So the first indicator is from my favorite developer, Luxalgo. Let me show you. The first one is Luxalgo price action concepts. I add it to my chart, and after that my second indicator is signals and overlays. And now I will show you my exact settings and exact inputs, how I use them. So let's go to the price action concepts, and these are my inputs. I know that it's a huge list, but we will go one by one. So I set all my internal to all, swing all, you can see and you can copy if you want. And I always set my highs and lows because it gives me a, it's like a support, resistance, or buy side, sell side, liquidity zones, whatever you call it. And I always open the premium and discount zone. It helps me for put my stop loss and my take profit points, and I will show you very soon. So the fair value gaps, it's very important. And liquidity concepts, you know that it's a liquidity grabs, I want to know that. So this is my settings for price action concept. Now let's jump into signals and overlays. So those are my inputs. You can copy all of them. One thing that is important, I always turn on autopilot sensitivity to short term because I am day trading. And I don't use any presets. I use confirmation plus exits mode. Signal sensitivity, don't look at that because it's autopilot. And my indicator overlays are very important. The first one is smart trail, I enabled it. Trend catcher, I enabled it. Trend tracer, I enabled it. And dashboard, this is dashboard, and I don't touch those settings. This is mostly for alerts. And the styles, you can do whatever you want. Those are my style settings. Now let's go to the money part, how I use them. In day trading, before the market opens, I set my time frame to 15 minutes, like I mentioned. Why? Because in 15-minute time frame I can see the bigger picture before I take any trades. Because you don't want to fight with the trend, right? You want to be on a side with the trend, so you will make money like this. Now let's look at some examples. So we have a buy and sell signal in the most basic way, right? But we have a confirmation indicators, and I have 3 confirmation indicators. Let me just turn off the price action concepts so that you will see more clear picture. So this is a powerful buy signal. This is a sell signal, not powerful because it doesn't have plus sign on the right side. So if I see this, I take a look at the price action. What I mean by that, I check these indicators if all my confirmation indicators confirms me. So as you can see that one of our confirmation indicators still red. This is the first one, this line, and this plus signs is the second one, and this cloud is the third one. So the cloud turns blue, which is bullish, and this line is green, obviously it's bullish, but this plus sign is still in red. So what you can do is you can just wait until it becomes green, or you can activate your price action and see what's going on. You know, do you need another confirmation, or this is a perfect time to enter? Let's see together. So we have this trend line occurred up here, and we have the gaps here, bullish gaps. So if the price doesn't fill those gaps, it means that price will go up. If it fills that, you will stop and think that maybe it will bounce from here. This is a scenario, but you know, market can do whatever it wants. So these price action concepts are mostly based on inner circle trader, which called ICT, and I am truly believer of him. He's very successful trader and he know what he is doing. So I think that Lux Algo took a huge inspiration and did a great job with doing this price action concept premium indicator. So we have seen here a fair value gap which is bullish. I would not wait here this confirmation indicator to turn green because I have enough confirmation. You see that price bouncing here and consolidation, we see this area, and what you can do is you can enter long position after this bar close. Why? Because in the all indicators you have to wait until the bar close to confirm this signal. This is not called repaint, this is something we call confirmation. You need to wait until the bar close to take a position. After this bar closes, you can enter long position and you can put your stop loss until down here, and if the price hits there, you can exit from your long position, or you can put your stop loss to this line, and if it sits there, you can exit out from your position. And here you will see that dotted lines, this means change of a character, which means that market is changing its behavior, it's becoming bullish if it is red. And if you see a plus line right side of it, it means it's a highly bullish. So after we entered position, after like a half an hour, we got a change of character signal from the price action concept indicator, which is we can still carry on our position. And after this we see some pullback, but no problem, we still bullish. Why? Because all of our confirmation indicators are now green, which means we will carry our position. Price hit new highs, and again this is equal highs, and after this point price starts to little bit go down. This is where I will take my partials. This is very important. You need to take your partials, and after I take my partials, I will put my stop loss to my breakdown point. So which means that it's a completely free trade. Even if it hits my stop loss, I will take my money. And you can see that there is a X appeared here, which means that you can close some of your position here. And price start to consolidating here, as you see. And after that we see this trend line, right? You remember this. The new price bar just break down this trend line, which means that price can change its behaviors. Market can go down or make a correction. So what you can do is close out all of your position and take your profit. It's very easy, right? And this Lux Algo combination has nearly 80% win rate. You can go and test it out yourself. If you follow these rules, you will be shocked how it is perfectly working. My honest opinion about the Lux Algo Premium is, I know that it's paid, but this is the far best indicator in the trading view right now. And you can make that money with just one trade, trust me. I have another great news for you. I kept this to until the end who watched all my videos. Go down below, find lifetime 30% off coupon, and if you don't like after your purchase, you can get your refund in 30 days. What else you can want? Go try it out yourself, this indicator. That was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching that video, and before you leave, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next time, see you soon.